Hey guys, Angela here, and today we're gonna make a meal out of items found in the Dollar Tree. So let's go.
Today I will go through the dollar store to find ingredients to recreate and make one main dish and one dessert. If you like these kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe and like for more eating. So back to the video.
Honestly, I don't think I've ever actually shopped for food items in the Dollar Tree, and I'm kind of shook. Like, they have legit stuff. Like, look over here. They have soup. Difficult for me is that I'm not gonna have fresh produce. I'm not gonna have like herbs or whatever. Now I'm not gonna get fresh meat. Beef patties, some items. We don't have fresh vegetables, but we do have frozen veg. So that's, but I even have butter. I'm not limited to that. Rib eye steak. What the heck? What is this? Pork loin riblets. Oh, we got to make something out of this. They have marinated chicken fritter. All right, found another aisle. They have spices. We're gonna shop around. We're gonna find some things. We'll get back to you and show you guys our Dollar Tree haul. All right, so we're back at the house, and you can see it looks like an unfinished kitchen. It is an unfinished kitchen. So my meat of choice, I ended up getting the ribeye steak, mechanically tenderized. So we're gonna cook that. I got some vegetables, some coconut flakes, some seasoning packs. I got some rice and some stuff for the dessert. I'm gonna make like this kind of curry inspired beef dish thing. So we're gonna, okay, so there's gonna be a couple cheat ingredients. One is salt and pepper. Everybody should have salt and pepper in their house. Another thing is eggs and milk. Now, if you don't have milk and you have to get it, the dollar store actually sells milk. So technically, if I didn't have milk already. Oh, and oil, cooking oil. Okay, so let's open up this bad boy, the ribeye steak. So I think this is being preserved or something in some weird salt mixture. That's why it's colored this gross gray color. Okay, so you see kind of like that. It has this weird gray color. Let's go ahead and cut these. If you guys could only feel the texture of this meat, it's super gelatinous feeling and jelly-like. So I have some seasoning options. We have some minced garlic that I found in the dollar store, amazingly. I have some dried chives. And pro tip, since the dollar store didn't have too many spices, pumpkin spice and chili powder. The pumpkin spice has cinnamon, ginger, and allspice. And this one has paprika and cumin. And so with these, it's gonna make a delicious sauce. I also was able to find some coconut milk, some chicken broth. So we got some kind of South Asian sauce brewing here. The first thing we're gonna do is stir fry the beef. Whoa. So it's cooking well, and actually, it smells like beef. So I'm not crazy afraid of this. Okay, so now that the beef is basically cooked, we're gonna take it out. Okay, so I'm gonna add some of this minced garlic. Let it sweat out a bit. I am going to add some of these chives, and it will rehydrate with all the liquids coming out of the garlic and from the beef. Take our chili mixture. We're gonna add the seasoning now. I don't know how much to add. I'm just gonna add a little bit. So a little bit of the chili pack and a little bit of the pumpkin spice. We're just gonna kind of cook and open up these spices. Now, we're gonna pour our chicken stock. Not a lot. Surprisingly, this smells delicious. Or am I just this? Or am I just that talented? I'll discuss where I am in a future video. Peas and carrots are pretty standard vegetable items. It's time to reintroduce our meat. Coconut milk. How much coconut milk? I'm not sure. All right. Okay. While everything's cooking, I'm gonna toast some coconut flakes. I saw these honey delicious buns and I was like, ooh, these look delicious. What can I do with these? And then they had like a bread section and hamburger buns and I thought, bread pudding. I could have made the bread pudding out of just these bun things, but I thought it would be a little too sweet. And so I'm gonna mix it up with the hamburger buns. There we go. Oh yeah. These would be perfect for bread pudding because they are dry. We're just gonna cut these. Transfer it into our baking pan. The reason why I chose hamburger buns versus just plain white bread is because these do have a little bit more toasted, both ends are toasted in a sense. And so you kind of get more of the crust, which is the crust is what you kind of want. Now we're gonna pour our egg mixture. Okay, it's all done. It's time to do the official taste test. And luckily, I have Mr. Old Cameraman here to taste my dollar store masterpiece.
Are you ready? Yeah, let's see how this is gonna go. Ooh, this looks pretty promising.
You better take a photo of that. Oh my God, look at that lighting.
It smells good. I'm scared to try this. That's pretty decent.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Seriously?
Hold on, let me try another piece. I mean, it doesn't have a ton of flavor in the meat.
Well, duh.
But it's meat and it's $1.
Okay, so dessert is in the oven, but let's see what Gio is talking about. I don't want to eat this. All right, let's get a little bit of the sauce. I'll try the meat last with the rice first. So sauce and rice. The sauce is good, coconutty, a little bit of the spice is there. It lacks that umami, the boldness, due to the, you know, dollar store, very limited. Let's try the meat. All right, here goes it. Mouthfeel, feels like beef. Mental feel, not feeling it. There's like a gamey aftertaste to it, but I mean, that's coming from a place where, you know, I get fresh meat all the time. But honestly, if you put this in front of me and told me, I made you a meal without telling me that this was from the dollar store, all right, I would be happy with it. But, it's a meal. It tastes good. And I'm actually surprised that pumpkin spice seasoning and chili seasoning made this kind of almost curry-like sauce. Let's check out the dessert, shall we? Oh my gosh, look at that. I also got some sprinkles from the dollar store because, you know, why not? The sprinkles make it, oh, too much. Make it look nice and pretty.
What is this?
It's bread pudding. Ha! It's good. I feel like dessert, you can't go wrong. There are a lot of dessert options in the dollar store, but I thought I wanted to make something a little bit more. Is bread pudding really creative? It's just really just a block of French toast, but still pretty good. All right, that is my dollar store video using only items from the dollar store. Don't forget to subscribe and like to this video if you love shopping at the Dollar Tree like me and cooking at an empty house like me. Or, say it, Gio. Or
me.
Or just like me. I'll catch you guys later. Take care. Bye.